Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am working with UNice Hair. They sent me this Bye Bye Knots 7x5 lace water wave wig with twist out ends. I'm super excited to show it to you guys. So this wig is 20 inches. It's in a curly texture with their finger coil ends, which I absolutely love. It's a 7x5 lace, like I said, 150% density, and it is a glueless wig. So this wig does come with pre-cut lace, an adjustable elastic band, and comb on the inside. It also has pre-bleached knots and a pre-plucked hairline. You can see how well the knots are bleached here. So this is going to be a completely glueless install. So I'm just going to be throwing the wig on, and that's all you have to do. I want to tell you guys a little bit about the texture of this hair. So you can see that the ends are like a finger coiled, which I absolutely love. I think it makes this wig look 10 times more natural and just really makes the curls pop. Also, this is the wig straight out of the box, so you really don't have to go in and style it if you don't want to, because it just looks good out of the box. Here's a close-up of the ends. It's super cute. Definitely love those. I'm going to be going in and styling the wig. You definitely don't have to, because look how good it looks out of the box. But I'm going to go in sections, spray them, put in some mousse, and use my Denman brush to kind of define the curls, and then finger coil the ends again so that I make sure they pop. This is super easy to do. This wig does not take a lot of work. I love that it's glueless. I love that it's curly. I love that everything is like done for you. So I'm just going to be going in and working throughout the wig to get it how I want it. I also want to mention I didn't experience a lot of shedding with this wig at all. It was very minimal shedding, which didn't bother me. I think the length of this wig was perfect. I think the fullness of this wig, the density was perfect. Everything about this wig was perfect, honestly. Like, I absolutely fell in love with this wig. I've said before that curly wigs have just been my thing lately, so I did really like this one. And here's me just going in and twisting those ends, making sure that they coil back up so you guys can see that cool feature of this wig. But that's really all I had to do, and I did go in and diffuse it with a blow dryer just because I wanted it to dry quicker. You definitely don't have to do that. You can let it air dry, but for the sake of the video, I wanted it to dry quicker so that I could get the final result quicker. But I did diffuse it, and then I went in with a pick just to get a little bit more volume, since it did dry a little bit flatter, because I didn't like really do too much with the diffuser to make it big. But yeah, that's all I had to do. I'm going to be showing you guys 3 hairstyles towards the end, so you'll see that this wig is very versatile. You can definitely do hairstyles with it, so definitely stay tuned for that towards the end of this video. All in all, I definitely enjoyed this wig. I do recommend it because I think it was just so beautiful, and like I said, I love the finger coil ends. I'm going to have the direct link to this wig on UNice's website in the description box below. Definitely check them out because this wig is definitely a 10 out of 10. I loved it. If you guys are not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And I'm just going to go ahead and let you guys continue watching this. Let me know what you think down below, and I will talk to you next time. Bye, guys.